Here we are going to do coursework 2, task 1, and in question number 1 we are going to do as root we are going to create a users from user add with our name and going to add into pseudo group. First we should go to root. Here -m creates a home directory for the users, and we are going to change our password for prajwal. Password is successfully created. Now we are going to add prajwal to pseudo group. Prajwal is added to the pseudo group. Now we are going to do question number 2. Change the cell for the new created user to z cell. To do, we are going to change ss -s /bin /zss. Prajwal. And -s specifies the new login cell to be used. -s. So in question number 3, switch to newly created users. Show the detail about the users. We are going to change to prajwal, newly created users to prajwal, and we are going to see this detail UID is 1001, GID is also 1001, group it is added to the two group prajwal and pseudo. And in question number 4, provide a command to go to their home directory. We do cd. We are now in home directory. In question number 5, provide a command to show the current user as well as current directory. To show the current user, we will do who I am, and to show the current directory, we will do pwd. And now in question number 6, we are going to go to the says in question number 6 part 1, go to the home directory. Go to the desktop directory. Within desktop, create following files. There are many files which we are going to create in the desktops. Touch file 1, file 10, file 11, file 2, file 2, file 3, file 3, file A, file A, file A, file backslash. Here we are doing backslash because we are going to keep a bracket which needs a backslash in front of it. File 2, we are doing quotation mark because there is a space between the file name. We are going now using the last one as a sequence. Let me see if file is created or not. The file are created, you can see. And in question number 3, it has said open vim and write this is from vim and save it to the name called vim file. Opening vim. Here pressing I, we are in insert mode. We write this is from vim. Escape wq. We write vim file. File name is vim file vim fi. FALE. Now we are in question number 6.4. Here it has said list all files starting with a letter and ending in a number. You have to do this ls a to small z, capital A to small capital Z from 0 to 9. It lists this command list all the files starting with the letters and endings in a number. Now in question number 5 it has said list all the file except beam file but using beam file in the command. To do we are ls hyphen ignore except beam file, everything is listed. Now in question number 6 it has said remove or delete the file name beam file with a prompt for deletions without the use of interactive flag. Also a message success or error on deletion and after deletion of the file must be shown. The deletion command must be in a single line. Okay, to do rm beam file and echo here rm beam file removes the file if it successfully removes it shows success. If it's not, it shows error, because if false condition is proved then only and after that and will echo will go to the end sections, and if beam file is not deleted, it's go to the all sections, which is error. Which your beam file is deleted, so echo success is working and success is displayed. And in 6.7 list all files with a digit as fifth character. To do we do question 0 to 9. In fifth character which has number, it is all listed here. Now in 7 number, store the password of the last 5 lines of etc/shadow to a file named password.txt using a single line command. Here store the first of the last line. Sudo 10-5/etc/ssct. PSSWT dot txt. Here the first 7 number is completed, and in 8 number it has a login as Kali. Create a new group with the name ETS32. Create 2 new users with password of your choice using add user command. Also add both to the newly created group. Okay, from here as Kali. Now in Kali. Here we are going to add a group ETS33. Add group ETS33. Group is added. Now here we are going to add user of our own name, which I'll give user1. Password of my user. under the username I'll give user2. Now I will add user1 and user2 in group ETS32 which we just created above. Sudo user user1, and we also add user2. Okay. Now question number 8.1 is finished, and 8.2 it has said create and write something to a file as root in its home directory. So the long list of the created file only. Now we will go to the root. Yeah, root sudo su, and yeah, it has said we should create a file in its home directory. Here we'll create a file. Let's write the file name file1, and right here hello world file1, and we will long list. Okay, our question number 2 also finished. In 3 it has said change the ownership of the file to one of the users and the groups created using the user created as your name. Now we will go to our name created users. Here we will say ch owner of the file user1. We'll keep the owner of file1 your user1 and password. Now we'll change the group grp ats33 and we'll give the group of file1 ets33. Now in question number 4 it says change the permissions to the file source that the group members can read only but others can read as well as write the file. Now we'll change permission chmod group can not only read only, then we'll execute will minus write and execute, and others can read as well as write any file name. Okay, now we'll test in question number 5 so that the permissions have been set properly by switching between the users. Now we are switching between the users. Let's switch to user1 su user1. Here let's view the file. We cannot view the file and let's write file1.